people constantly interact and exchange things with one another. This exchange may include help, appreciation, support, or information.
Exactly. This is what the sociologist George Holmes explains through something called as the exchange theory.
So basically, according to him, our social behavior depends on rewards and costs.
Yeah, like if something is given to us as a reward, we are more likely to repeat it.
And if it leads to negative outcome, we usually avoid it doing.
To explain this better, Holmes gives 5 important propositions.
And in this video, we are going to show these 5 propositions using simple everyday college life situations.
Good morning, students. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. So we are today starting with a new topic, that is contemporary issues of Goa society. Under that we are studying mining today. Yesterday we studied about tourism. I hope you are aware about that topic. So let's start.
Ma'am, what was taught yesterday since I was absent?
If you were absent, you should go ask someone else. Please don't ask me about it again and again. So let's start with mining. So
Yes. Can you please explain the topic tourism, what ma'am taught you all yesterday? I understood the explanation so well. Thank you for explaining me.
you're welcome.
According to Holmes, success proposition is when an action is rewarded, individuals are more likely to repeat that behavior.
Hi,
Hi.
I heard that your explanation is very good. So can you please explain me the theory of Peter Bloss of
Yes.
exchange theory?
Yes.
So can you please tell me this thing? Thank you so much for explaining me this thing.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
This illustrates Holmes' stimulus proposition. When a certain action was rewarded in the past, people are more likely to perform in the same action in similar situation.
Good morning, students. Okay, so I'm very happy and excited to announce something really special today. Okay, so as you all know, every year we celebrate Social Fair Awards in our department, and this year we'll be having it tomorrow. And I will be personally messaging you all on WhatsApp, and all those who are receiving a message from me tonight are requested to be present tomorrow for the award ceremony. And also the other students from our class are also requested to be present for this ceremony to support your classmates. All the best and congratulations in advance. See you tomorrow.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Social Fair Awards 2026. Now, without any ado, let's begin the ceremony.
So first we have the pillar of the department. Okay, so first we have Anjali. Next we have the next pillar, which is Dia. Next we have the star of the department, that is Latika.
Congratulations, Latika.
sports person, which is Adarsh. Now, for the one that we'll all be waiting for. Okay? Can you all any guesses?
Any guesses?
Any
students?
guesses, students? Come on.
Ananya?
Nanya, Shania, anybody who is
Any
there?
guesses?
Any guesses? Who's going to get the student of the year? Who is it? Rida, let's go!
That's right, Rida,
Yay!
Congratulations, Rita. Well done.
Okay, here the ceremony ends here. Thank you everyone for coming here today.
All the best, students.
I have worked so hard to receive this award, but I could not get this award. Where I was lacking.
According to the value proposition, the more valuable the reward is, the more likely a person is to perform the action.
Can you help me with this song? Can you help me with this? Areta, can you help me with this?
Can you see that I'm doing some work?
It's okay, fine. Hello Adarsh, can you do me a favor? Can you help me with this assignment?
Sorry, I'm busy these days because of practice and matches and all, so it won't be possible.
If you help me with this assignment, I'll treat you with something.
Sorry, really.
I'll treat you with something that you want. Like, can you just please help me with this assignment?
Okay, I'll
Please.
help you.
Okay, thank you. Can you just... Hello Adarsh, can you do me a favor again?
Yes, I'll do.
I can't understand this assignment. What sir thought? Can you please explain me?
No, I'm busy right now.
And I'll give you treat again. Please help me with this.
No, right now it won't be possible.
I'll give you treat. We can go to cafe. We can go to cafe just after you help me.
Okay, I'll help you out.
Adarsh, can you please help me with my assignment again?
No, it won't possible.
I don't do like this. Literally no one is ready to help me in class. You're the only one who helps me.
No, it won't.
I'll treat you again.
It is not exciting me anymore. Please.
I'll seriously treat
No,
you
no,
again
no,
with
I
coffee.
won't be-
Please
no.
don't do like this.
No,
Adarsh,
won't be possible. No.
shall I do now? It's so pressurizing. How shall I even do this alone? Oof. My god, how will I even do it? It's so much. Why was I not attentive in class?
This is Hohmann's deprivation satiation proposition, which states that the more frequently a reward is received, the less valuable it becomes.
So thank you, I'm done with my presentation.
Wow, I love the presentation. It's like so good. It's like so organized and stuff. Did you do it by yourself?
Yes, I did it all alone. No one helped me, so yeah.
It was really nice, really great.
Thank
It
you.
was really good. Like I really liked the slides. The previous slide was really good. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Hey Anjali, can you help me with this? I have a PPT due tomorrow.
Yes, Shania, I will help you.
What was that? Did you really do the PPT? No, you didn't. Like, tell me the truth, Shania. Did you really do the PPT?
Yes.
Like, you didn't even acknowledge me for it. Like, why would you do that? Shania, I'm still talking to you.
This demonstrates Hohmann's aggression approval proposition. When expected rewards are not received, individuals may feel frustration or anger.
Social exchange theory. Human interactions often involve exchanges of help, reward, appreciation, and recognition. Sociologist George Holmes explained this through social exchange theory. He believed that people repeat behaviors that bring rewards and avoid behaviors that bring negative outcomes. George Holmes was an American sociologist who studied how people behave in small groups. He explained that social behavior is like an exchange where people give and receive awards such as help, appreciation, or support. To explain human behavior, Holmes introduced 5 key propositions. These propositions help us understand why people act the way they do in different situations. The success proposition states that when a behavior is rewarded, people are more likely to repeat that behavior. When an action brings appreciation or a positive response, it encourages the person to do it again. In this scene, one student helps a friend understand a topic and receives appreciation. Because of this positive response, the same student continues helping others again. The stimulus proposition explains that if a situation is similar to one in which a person was rewarded earlier, they are more likely to repeat the same behavior. In this scene, another student approaches the same helper after hearing about their helpful nature. Since helping earlier brought appreciation, the student repeats the same behavior in a similar situation. The value proposition states that the more valuable a reward is to a person, the more likely they are to perform the action. Rewards such as recognition, appreciation, and awards increase motivation. In this scene, students are rewarded for their contribution in the department. The award and recognition act as a valuable rewards. At the same time, one student who does not receive the award feels disappointed, showing how important and meaningful such rewards can be. The satiation proposition explains that when the same reward is received repeatedly, its value gradually decreases. What once felt rewarded may no longer feel special after repeating exposure. In this scene, a student is repeatedly offered the same reward, a cafe treat, in return for help. Over time, the reward loses its excitement, and the student no longer feels motivated to continue helping.
The aggression approval proposition states that when expected rewards are not received, individuals may feel frustration or anger. On the other hand, when rewards are received, in this scene, a student helps prepare a presentation but does not receive any acknowledgement. The lack of recognition leads to disappointment and frustration, showing how unmet expectations affect behavior.
So through these examples, we can clearly see how George Homer's exchange theory explains our everyday social interactions.
Exactly. People tend to repeat actions that
They also respond to similar situations based on their past experiences.
this shows how exchange perspective operates in everyday life.